I love you!
Where?
What?
Show me. Where is this love? I can't see it. I can't touch it. I can't feel it. I can hear it. I can hear some words, but I can't do anything with your easy words.
Why some might feel that love is not real. Welcome, wonderful viewers, to Love Factual, the go-to place for all things love and emotions. Now, today we have an intriguing topic that's close to many hearts: the belief that love isn't real. Now, emotions are complex, and while the joy of love is undeniable, heartbreak can sometimes cast doubt on its authenticity. Now, if you've ever questioned the reality of love, stay tuned as we embark on a deep dive into the reasons behind this sentiment and explore ways to overcome it. Have you ever found yourself pondering why someone might feel that love isn't real? Now, it's a sentiment that can be influenced by various factors, ranging from past heartbreaks to the impact of mental health conditions like depression. Join us as we navigate the intricate landscape of human emotions and discover how to move past the belief that love is just an illusion. And this is a journey we are taking together, so let's dive right in. Love, the multifaceted gem of emotions, reveals itself in various forms: romantic, platonic, familial, and often neglected self-love. The fact that love can exist between friends, family, companions, and within us is a testament to its complexity. But why might someone feel like love isn't real? There are a myriad of reasons why someone might doubt the existence of genuine love. From past heartbreaks to witnessing traumatic relationships in childhood or being trapped in an abusive relationship, these experiences can deeply impact our perceptions of love. Now, even mental health conditions like depression can color our view, making love seem like an unattainable dream. Now, let's delve into these factors and explore how identifying their source can be the first step towards a profound mindset shift. Depression, a silent struggle affecting around 5% of the world's population, has profound effects on how we perceive love. The distorted thinking patterns associated with depression, such as overgeneralization, can lead us to believe that all love ends in pain. Now, understanding the impact of depression on our views of love is crucial in working towards a healthier mindset. Our past experiences wield a powerful influence over our beliefs about love. Now, if you faced negative associations with love due to abusive or hurtful experiences, it's understandable that you might struggle to see its positive side. Now, let's explore how our past can shape our perception of love and ways to break free from these limiting beliefs.
You need to know that it's possible that two people can stay happy together forever.
In my opinion, the best thing you can do is find a person who loves you for exactly what you are.
Now, there are a few things to keep in mind if you feel like love isn't real. Now, if you find yourself doubting the reality of love, here are some things that you should keep in mind. Firstly, love can't be forced. Unrequited love or having romantic feelings for someone who doesn't feel the same way may be painful, but it doesn't mean that love is non-existent. Now, reflecting on past relationships can lead to positive outcomes and increased self-confidence, especially if those experiences were memorable. Secondly, self-love is crucial research suggests that building self-esteem through self-love is beneficial for our romantic relationships. Developing a sense of self-love can demonstrate that love is indeed real and sets you up for success in your romantic endeavors. Now, lastly, let me say this. If you're struggling with the belief that love isn't real, now seeking help from a therapist can be transformative. Whether it's addressing past trauma, shifting unhelpful thought patterns, or managing mental health conditions, therapy can be a valuable resource. Now, online therapy has proven to be convenient, and effective in addressing these challenges. So don't shy away from this kind of intervention, because you may just need it. It may be just what you need, especially if you're feeling stuck and can't seem to move past where you are at the moment. So now that we've touched on some fundamental aspects, let's explore the depth of love even further. Now, love is not a one-size-fits-all emotion. We all know that it comes in various forms and intensities, from the passion of romantic love to the steadfastness of familial love. Each type offers a unique perspective on the human experience. Now, as a life coach, these are some of the things that I consider when speaking to people about love in general. And beyond emotions, there's a scientific side to love that adds another layer of fascination. Now, research suggests that love triggers the release of certain chemicals in the brain, creating a biochemical basis for our emotional experiences. Understanding this science can shed light on why we feel the way we do and help debunk the notion that love is merely an illusion, especially when it's not returned by that person that you're interested in. Love is a universal language, yet its expression varies across cultures. Now, different societies have unique rituals, traditions, and beliefs surrounding love. Exploring these cultural perspectives can broaden our understanding of love and challenge the idea that it's a fleeting or unattainable concept. Now, I would encourage you to look at how other cultures express love. It might be fascinating and eye-opening at the very same time. Now, throughout history, love stories have been the heartbeat of human existence. From epic tales of passion to enduring stories of companionship. Now, these narratives have shaped our collective understanding of love. Now, by revisiting these stories, we can gain insight into the timeless nature of love and dispel the notion that it's a modern construct. Now, love is as old as time itself. So this thing is not new. Love is everlasting. Even the Bible tells you about what love truly and really is. So in conclusion, the belief that love isn't real can stem from various factors, but it's not a permanent state of mind. By understanding the sources of this belief and taking proactive steps, you can open up yourself to the possibility of experiencing genuine, fulfilling love. Now, remember that love is a complex and multifaceted emotion. It's worth exploring the different facets to discover its true essence. Now, thank you for joining us on this extended exploration of love on Love Factual. We hope this journey has been enlightening and that you'll continue to explore the depth of emotions with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, keep the flames of love alive in your heart. Goodbye. I am William Nelson Ryan.